Okay guys, so as you can see, I have put a couple of diagonal cuts on the fish, and I've shown you everything I've included inside of my mixture, my marinade, and my baster that I'm going to be using as the fish is cooking. So right now I'm just getting ready to apply this mixture, making sure it gets into the crevices. Just making sure it gets in between all these little sections, just so the fish can be good and flavored. And of course I'm gonna let this sit and marinate for about an hour before I actually get ready to cook it. These seasonings is gonna make it very tasty. And the fish I'm using, guys, is tilapia. It's a whole tilapia. Now I know you guys hear a little noise in the background. That's my Samsung back. So this is one side basted, and I'm going to flip it over and baste the other side, and then of course save some of the marinade for to run over it just a little bit while it's cooking as well. So this should be real tasty and crisp, and I will show you guys the finished result when it's done. Okay guys, as I was cooking my fish, of course, the verdict for George Floyd has came in, and I wanted to share my initial feelings with you guys about it. I also was working out, but this is a worthy cause for me to stop what I'm doing, to take a moment to remember George Floyd and his family. So let's tune into the verdict.
Activist, and so I think that moving forward it's going to be interesting to see exactly what that
verdict. Count 1, court file number 27 CR 20-12646. We the jury in the above entitled matter as to count 1, unintentional second-degree murder while committing a felony, find the defendant guilty. This verdict agreed to this 20th day of April 2021 at 1:44 p.m. Signed, juror foreperson, juror number 19. Same caption, verdict count 2. We the jury in the above entitled matter as to count 2, third-degree murder, perpetrating an eminently dangerous act, find the defendant guilty. This verdict agreed to this 20th day of April 2021 at 1:45 p.m. Signed by jury foreperson, juror number 19. Same caption, verdict count 3. We the jury in the above entitled matter as to count 3, second-degree manslaughter, culpable negligence, creating an unreasonable risk, find the defendant guilty. This verdict agreed to this 20th day of April 2021 at 1:45 p.m. Jury foreperson 019. Members of the jury, I'm now going to ask you individually if these are your true and correct verdicts. Please respond yes or no. Juror number 2, are these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 9, are these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 19, are these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 27, are these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 44, are these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 52, are these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 55, are these your true
Sorry
and correct
about the
verdicts?
glare, guys.
Yes.
That's just a glare from my window. It makes it look like the TV is blinking.
Juror number 85, are these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 89, are these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 91, are these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 92, are these your true and correct verdicts?
yes
Are these your verdicts? So say you one, so say you all.
Yes.
Members of the jury, I find that the verdicts as read reflect the will of the jury and will be filed accordingly. I have to thank you on behalf of the people of the state of Minnesota for not only jury service, but heavy-duty jury service. What I'm going to ask you to do now is to follow the deputy back into your usual room, and I will join you in a few minutes to answer questions and to advise you further. So, all rise for the jury.
Guilty on all charges. Well, I hate this. All had to happen. But accountability is something that we hate to face, but we need to face, and we have to face it.
Blakely, you may file a written
Justice
argument
been
as to Blakely
served.
factors within 1 week.